What's going on, guys? It's Alec, back to you guys another video. As you can see, we are down here at the Fox Point boat launch. I'm with my man Adam here. We're gonna get out on the Fox. It's a snowy, blizzard, cold, windy night, but hopefully the walleyes are biting. We're gonna get out for a couple hours, hopefully get some good film for you guys, shoot a good video. Otherwise, if you want to get on some Green Bay walleyes, I still have a couple openings for April for short trips, so hit me up. I'll be running trips from here, from Green Bay all the way up to the Michigan border. Still have some openings, been putting people on some really good fish. So if you want to get out and get on some nice walleyes, hit me up on Facebook or Instagram at Daiwa Angling. And if you want to get out on some big perch, my man Adam over here at the Adrenaline Angling will get you on some big perch. He can tell you his contact info real quick.
Yeah, absolutely. Get at me. My phone number is 608-451-2986 or Adrenaline Angling Guide Service on Facebook. Get at me for an airboat trip, jumbo perch, also open water next season.
Oh yeah, so if you guys want to get on some big walleyes here in the Green Bay area over the next month or two, give me a call. If you guys want to get on some big perch over on the Mississippi, give him a call. You seen that thing?
Yeah, muskrat.
That thing was dipping, bro. All right, well guys, we're gonna launch the boat and hopefully get on some big fish for you guys. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. First fish of the night. Don't look too bad. Yeah, back up a little bit, baby. Yep. Hold that clip on the top. Yep, pop it. And then the back one, pull it up. It's a little pin. Just pull out that pin. Yep, there you go. There you go. The net's right here, dog.
Alright.
Looks like a decent fish.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Oh, that's a nice fish. Old fire tiger.
And I'm just lifted into them now. I got first.
Yeah, just keep rolling, baby. Keep rolling. There you go, baby. Nice fish. Old scatter wrap. Good job, baby. Yeah, nice picture of that one. All right, going back. There she goes. Always just made a move down here, down the river, because it was slow up there and came down here and hooked into one right away. First cast in a new spot. Yes, sir. Nice little male. Old plastic. Ooh, don't take my tail, buddy. Don't take my tail, buddy. Get him off and get him back. Back-to-back cast. Another nice male. Just cracked it. 2 casts in a row, eh? Barely hooked. Nice, another male.
Still trying to return them, though.
They're both flipping.
Yeah. Oh, he's pinned up.
Then this the bottom.
Yeah.
See if we can get some.
Nice little male.
Oh yeah, I heard it. You're like, wow.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like, whoa. I'll be there now.
Smoked up.
That one. Where's in that? Heck yeah, look at that one coming in. It's a good video too. That's what we're looking for.
Oh yeah.
Look at that one. It's like a 24 or 25. You got that jig just choked. If I can't double up on cam after you hold that one up. Heck yeah.
Dandy.
Wicked hooks that too.
Nice.
Get some quick picks and get it back.
All right, 23 incher. Let's get this girl back. Thanks, sweetie.
Feels like it. Well, we were just doubled up, and as soon as we got the camera rolling, Adam lost his, sadly. But I still got mine on. I'm feeling like a decent fish. Yeah, I'll get over this side. It's running over this side. There you go. No, it's not super big. It's a bow flipper for me. Heck yeah. Pinned it to the bottom. We've been doing that a lot. Another nice little male. We would have had a double, but it's okay, you know, we're gonna get this little guy back. There you go.
It's hooked right, it definitely is. I just didn't feel a bite. So
We're good down.
it feels like it's hooked in my head.
Yeah, I think we got it. Adam's got a hog on, huh?
I haven't seen it yet.
Making you think it's even bigger than what you're thinking, huh?
It's hard to say.
Hard to say.
Just think it's on hard.
Yeah, I guess you got a good camera.
Very big if it's hooked right.
Oh, I
Oh, I
seen
saw a
it.
flash.
It's like one cast after another right now, guys. Like almost every cast we're hooking up. In the middle of another snow/rainstorm. We're having a good night. This is probably the smallest one we caught tonight for sure. Little 12, 13 incher. Got that beef fishing plastic just pinned. Using a Google Eye jig from Kalen's. Chartreuse. Orange and chartreuse. Yes, sir.
Please be hooked right. That's all I can think up here, dude. Is like on the sippy, that doesn't even cross my mind. But
Oh.
no. Well,
Smashed it, he said. Oh, he's a jumper. Jumping walleyes at him. Watch this boat flip, guys. Oh. Oh, yeah. Holy cow, look at that jig, guys. Oh,
I think you wanted it.
that's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. We're into the males pretty good. A lot of 15 to 18, 19 inchers down here. We have caught a couple nice ones. Oh yeah. Well, first off, I hooked up with a guy on shore with a Chinese ripping wrap. That was about a number size 10. And then next cast, back to walleye. Back to walleye. They're choking it right now. And sadly, we gotta go soon. We only got about oh, he's barely hooked. Look at. We got about 10, 15 minutes left here. It's just a matter of what? We've only been fishing over here for 30, 40 minutes, and we caught 20 to 25 fish. Made a nice little video for you guys, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. All right, hooked up, guys. Might be the last fish of the night here too. This About to call it here. Like I said, we kind of wish, look at that thing, just gone. Kind of wish we were down here at first. Started up by the dam, fished up there for a while. Gave it about an hour, hour and a half up there, and only hooked into a couple of fish. And said, hey man, let's just go down there, go down in front of Voyager and throw some jig and plastics like I've been doing the past couple nights offshore with my clients. And I mean, right away we started hooking into them. Now we're probably 30 fish in, and we've only been fishing down here for not even an hour. So it's sad we gotta leave, but we got some things we gotta take care of, so we ain't gonna be here for too long. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Well, this hungry feller hit it 3 times, and I finally got him the 3rd time. You know, the 3rd time's a charm, as you'd say here. Actually feeling pretty good. Oh yeah. 3rd time's a charm, eh?
Yeah, a little big to be flipping.
Dude, look at, he literally hit it 3 times. That's like a nice solid 22, 21, 22 fat fish. Get a good look at him. Oh yeah. I was just telling him, like, I got smacked. Once, missed him. Twice, missed him. 3rd time, nope. You got him that time, buddy. Oh, we still got taking off this one right here. Holy cow.
You good?
Yeah.
He ate it. I don't know how the hell he came on.
After you get it. Well, sad to say, but this will be our last fish of the night. I see him out there, jumping walleye. Another jumping walleye. Oh yeah. Well guys, thanks for tuning into the video. Like I said, it started off slow, first little hour, hour and a half. We went down river, got into a good bite, literally catching one every cast. And I mean, in less than an hour, we probably caught 30 to 40 fish. If you want to get out with me on the Fox or get out and on the Oconto, the Peshigo, Menominee, I am running trips, short trips. Just let me know if you want to get out. I'll get you guys on some big walleyes, get you guys on a great bite. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to get out on some jumbo perch on the Mississippi, hit my man Manuel. Yeah.
Adrenaline angling.
Thanks for tuning into this video. If you like what you see, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. Until next time, we're out.
Peace.